Welcome to jeffturnertraining.com. On this website, we provide free and accessible training courses in short videos, usually no more than 2 minutes long, on a wide variety of technology-based topics. Hopefully, there'll be something here to help you if you're struggling with your technology or your device. How do you navigate this site? Well, you start with the home page, and on the home page we'll have general explainers, some device-specific subpages, a menu for the entire website, and anything unusual will be classified as other. And by unusual, I just mean it doesn't fit into another classification. One of the main problem areas that people have is understanding the internet. So we have a subsection related to topics to do with the internet. How do you connect to the global network? How do you use the World Wide Web? And we'll explain what the internet actually is. Some of the training videos will deal with how do you connect to Wi-Fi? What is a website and what is browsing? We'll also be discussing things that you can do to stay safe on the internet. A subpage will be dealing with tablets. This will cover topics specific to tablet devices such as Android and Apple tablets, how to utilize the apps found on tablets, and discussing the popular uses for tablets. One of those is video calls. How do you make a video call? And how do you troubleshoot if your tablet isn't working properly? Everybody seems to have a smartphone these days, so we'll have a topic area dedicated to smartphones. Android and iPhone phone types will be discussed. We'll talk about the display and the look and feel of the display and some basic usage. In addition to that, we'll talk about installing apps on your smartphone, managing those apps, using some basic actions, and also troubleshooting problems. People still use laptops and computers, so we'll be talking about Windows-based devices, Apple iOS-based devices, and, very importantly, the need for backups. Again, we'll talk about using Wi-Fi, but one topic very close to my heart is file and folder management. We'll show how to attach external devices and how to make backups of your files. And finally, we have the other category. This will cover things such as how-to guides for particular applications, some popular tasks like using email, or how do you search for answers on the internet. So other stuff will be available to you as well. We hope you enjoy using jeffturnertraining.com and keep coming back for more, because we plan on adding more all of the time.